Millions of people take a multivitamin every day. They swallow the pill, they feel responsible, they believe they've done something good for their health. But weeks pass, months pass, years pass, and nothing really changes. Energy doesn't improve, focus doesn't improve, immunity doesn't improve. So what's going on? Why do so many people take multivitamins and still feel unhealthy? This video is for educational purposes only, but the answer is not that vitamins are useless. It's that your body doesn't work like a supplement bottle. Let's begin. First, multivitamins contain isolated nutrients, single chemicals removed from their natural context. But nutrients don't work alone in the body. They work in networks. For example, vitamin D needs magnesium to be activated. Calcium needs vitamin K to be directed into bones. Iron needs vitamin C for absorption. When you take nutrients in isolation, your body may not be able to use them effectively. Food, on the other hand, delivers nutrients together in the combinations your body expects. That's why food often works better than pills. Second, absorption matters more than intake. You can swallow nutrients, but that doesn't mean your body absorbs them. Your gut determines what enters your bloodstream. If your gut is inflamed, imbalanced, or damaged, absorption drops. Many people take supplements while ignoring gut health. That's like pouring water into a cracked glass. Foods that support absorption include fermented foods, fiber-rich foods, digestive enzymes from fruits like pineapple and papaya. A healthy gut is the foundation of nutrient use. Third, your body regulates nutrients dynamically. It doesn't want high levels of everything. It wants balance. When you swallow large doses of certain vitamins, your body may simply excrete them, or in some cases, store them in ways that create imbalance. Food delivers nutrients slowly, gently, and in amounts your body evolved to handle. Now let's talk about the foods that actually work. Not because they contain one nutrient, but because they support systems. Let's start with leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens provide magnesium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants, all together. They support energy production, blood health, detoxification, and inflammation balance. Next, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, protein, and minerals. These support brain function, inflammation balance, cardiovascular health, and hormone signaling. Now, berries. Berries provide antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress. This protects your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Healthy mitochondria mean better energy and slower aging. Next, eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete foods available. They contain protein, choline, vitamin A, vitamin D, B vitamins, and minerals. Choline supports brain function and liver health. B vitamins support energy metabolism. This is why eggs support more systems than most multivitamins ever could. Now, fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi support gut bacteria. And gut bacteria influence immunity, mood, hormone balance, and inflammation. You cannot supplement your way around a broken gut. You must support it. Now let's talk about minerals. Most multivitamins contain tiny amounts of minerals that are poorly absorbed. Foods like pumpkin seeds, nuts, legumes, whole grains, and leafy greens provide minerals in bioavailable forms. Zinc supports immunity and hormone balance. Magnesium supports stress regulation and insulin sensitivity. Iron supports oxygen transport. These minerals work better when delivered with fiber, protein, and plant compounds. Now let's talk about something uncomfortable. Multivitamins are a business. They are marketed as insurance, but they are not personalized. They don't know your diet, they don't know your stress level, they don't know your gut health, they don't know your sleep. Food adapts. Your cravings shift when you need something. Your appetite changes with activity. Your digestion responds to what you eat. Your body is dynamic. Your nutrition should be too. This doesn't mean supplements are useless. They can be helpful when there is a diagnosed deficiency. They can be helpful when prescribed, but they are not a substitute for nourishment. They are a backup, not a foundation. Now imagine building your health around real food. Your digestion improves, your energy stabilizes, your immune system becomes more resilient. Not because you added one pill, but because you supported multiple systems at once. That is why food works when pills don't. Not because pills are evil, but because your body evolved with food. Not capsules, not tablets, not powders, just food. If this changed how you see nutrition, save this video and share it with someone who still believes health comes in a bottle. Because sometimes the most powerful medicine is not something you swallow, it's something you eat.